Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to use the toggle and checkbox components in Figma, step by step. So, let's get started together. First, open your Figma project and go to the Assets panel. Search for toggle or checkbox, depending on which one you want to use. Simply drag and drop it onto your canvas. Now, you can customize the size, color, and state, whether it's checked, unchecked, on, or off. You can also connect it with your interactive prototypes using the on-click interaction to switch states automatically. And that's it for today's video, guys. Now you know how to use toggles and checkboxes like a pro in Figma. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more Figma tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.